are going to do a pick a card reading. This is about yes or no. So you can ask any question. This can be love, career, or relationship. Any question, you can ask any question. And this will be a detailed reading. I'll explain and the cards, and I'll be drawing 3 cards for each pile, and I will be explaining what will be the answer. So you all can stay tuned with that. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Don't forget to comment if my reading resonated. If it did not, please check my other readings. Please note that these are general reading. They may and may not resonate with everyone. I request you all to let me know what type of readings you want next. And if you want personal reading, please check the description box given below for more details. Okay, so let's start today's reading. We have, as usual, 3 piles here. So pile number 1 is rainbow. Then pile number 2 is yes. Then pile number 3 is unicorn. Okay, so you can choose the pile intuitively, and you can select the object whichever you are drawn to. If you want more time, then you can pause the video and you can select the pile. Okay, so let's start with the pile number 1, the rainbow. Okay, so we will start with the pile number 1, rainbow. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Raphael, please give us some guidance, give us some clarity. Whatever the viewer, whatever the pile number 1 is asking, say yes or no to their question. So please give us some clarity. Please give them some guidance. Please show us mercy. So we have 2 cards here already. So we have 3 cards here. Okay, so pile number 1, I can clearly see that you had a tower moment in your past. So that means something happened. If it is regarding a job or a career, maybe you got fired from the job, or you lost the job. Or if it is a business, then your business is like completely collapsed, and there was no hopes at all. Then if it is a love and relationship, something happened very badly, like something happened like tower moment. You can understand what it does mean. Maybe some misunderstandings, or some backstabbing, then some cheating, something happened, then everything fell down, and actually everything fallen down for your own good actually. So maybe in your relationship something happened. Maybe the other person had a third party relationship, and their tower has collapsed, and maybe they both got separated or divorced or something. This is called this is what happened in your love life. This tower moment came. But after that, I can see like a twin flame card for lovers. It is like very positive card. It is 1111 card, twin flame card. So definitely you are both wanting to have a beautiful relationship together. You want to celebrate. You want to have engagement. You have to go. You want to have marriage. You want to live together. So this is a very, very positive card. And the sun card tells us that it is a clarity, it is a new beginning, and the brightness coming into your life. All the dark days are gone in your life, and something new is going to start in your life, and everything will be clear now. You will be open-minded. You will have the clarity to move forward, and you know your direction actually, where to go. So because the the picture clearly says that the sunshine is very bright, and the small child is going on a horse, going somewhere. So it is actually a victory kind of a thing, and this is both are very very positive cards. So whatever question you are asking, whether it is studies, career, then business, love, relationship, marriage, everything is answer is yes, and it is 100% yes. And also the whoever is asking about marriage, will he marry me, will she marry me, yes, 100% this person will marry you, because the cards are saying, I am not saying, this is a twin flame connection both of you are having. So this is a very very beautiful pile, friends, and cards are very very positive for your reading. So whatever the answer you are asking, the answer is yes. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. So let's move to the pile number 2, the yes. Okay, so we will see what is going to happen for your question. So you have you chose a pile of yes, but we will see whether the answer is also yes or no. Okay, so already one card flew away. I'll take out the card. So pile number 2. Please angels, please spirit guides, help us, guide us, give us some guidance. For pile number 2, the answer is yes or no. Justice, very nice. Justice is coming in your life. Okay. Okay, I wanted to take only 3 cards, but 4 cards flew away, so I have to take all of them, whichever cards came. The card flew away is King of Wands actually. So King of Wands is a very stable person. If you are if you are asking about a job or a career or business, definitely there will be a new beginning in your job, or and you will have you will be dealing with a powerful person in your life, maybe your boss or your owner of the business, or somebody very powerful in your life. You will be dealing with them, and they are sitting on their throne, and they are waiting actually for you. Maybe you will get a new job offer, because Ace of Cups is a new beginning, and so maybe they want to offer you a very good stable job with a nice package of money, then good salary and all. They might be wanting to offer you a new job. Then Justice card also says that all these days you might be suffering, you might be tensed, or you might be confused, or you might be a little bit sad, but whatever is the condition, justice is coming into your life. So universe is giving you a justice. Universe is giving doing justice to your situation right now. Then even this 4 of Wands card also, this is kind of a celebration, enjoyment. Okay, so you will be celebrating your victory actually. So if you get a job offer, you will be celebrating with your family, then you will be celebrating with your friends, then you will have definitely a new beginning with Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is a very very positive and powerful card actually. Universe is giving you, offering you a cup of love or money or anything. So okay, so there will be definitely a new beginning in this condition, in this situation. So definitely you will be dealing with a very powerful man who will help you to get your job, or who will be helping you to move forward in your life actually. So this is what I have for the job and career things, but whatever the you are asking question is regarding job and the career or business or finance, the answer is yes, friends. Even if you are asking about the traveling abroad or something also, this is Ace of Cups is new beginnings. So definitely you can have a new beginning, new start, new travel, new place, relocating to new country, relocating to new city. So whatever is the question, the answer is yes. And when it comes to the love and relationships question. If you are asking, will he marry me, will she marry me, so will we be together, will that person communicate with me? So whatever the question you are asking, the answer is 100% yes, because the King of Wands is a powerful person. He is a king and he is waiting. Your partner is waiting for you. Now he is stable. He is stubborn, and he has decided he wants to give you a commitment. He wants to give you offer his cup of love, and he wants to have a new beginning in this love life. And this person is determined person. He is intellectual, intelligent person, and this person is very much determined to come towards you, and he wants to give the justice to this connection, this relationship. Till now you didn't have any love confession or any commitment, or nothing you had. Simply you were confused, and you love this person, and you are not, you don't know whether that person loves you or not. So that kind of a confused state. But now this person want to come forward, and he wants to give you justice for this connection, and he want to move towards you, and he's waiting for the right time. And now this is the right time. And also you can see the twin flame card, 1111 card. So that means you are definitely twin flames, and you want to have a you will be having soon you will be hearing about the his love, and he will come with a offer actually. So he will come with a stable offer. He will ask you to have a new beginning in this love life, and maybe he will introduce to you to his family members. He will maybe he wants to have an engagement. He wants to make this relationship official. Okay, so he want to tell everybody that this is my soulmate, this is my wife, this is my would-be fiancé. So whatever this is, this person want to have a marriage with you and engagement with you. This is a celebration card, and this person definitely wants to have a new beginning with you. And the cup, his cup is overflowing with love towards you. So this person definitely want to give you a long-term commitment, and this person is coming towards you. This King of Wands is coming towards you to give you a stable offer of engagement or marriage. So whatever the answer you are asking about any relationship regarding that, so the answer is yes, friends. I'm so happy. Pile number 1 also answer is yes. Then pile number 2 also answer is yes. I'm so happy. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends, and share with your friends so that they will also get benefited with this reading. Okay, then let's move to pile number 3, the unicorn. So pile number 3, unicorn. Whoever chose the unicorn, let's see what the angels are saying. Angels and spirit guides, please give them some guidance. Pile number 3, and whoever chose unicorn, please answer their question yes or no. Please give them some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please give them some clarity. Please give them some guidance. Please show us mercy and show us clarity. Knight of Swords. First card is Knight of Swords. Then Seven of Cups. And the Six of Cups. Okay. So right now I can see that you are in a very confused state at this time. So if you are asking about any job or career or finance or business, you have so many options, and actually you are ready to move forward. You are King of the Knight of Swords means you are ready to move ahead, and without thinking, without any proper understanding, you want to rush into the things actually. And you have so many options in front of you, so many jobs, maybe so many options, offers are coming towards you. So you are confused, you are daydreaming and you don't know which one to choose actually, but something you want to do it fast, is very fast you want to do something, you want to achieve it, something you want to have it to towards you, to have you to yourself actually. Okay, so you are a bit possessive, you want actually all the cups you want to keep for yourself itself, like you are in a little bit of dark energy, you want to have all the cups are shining and everything is tempting, you want to have, but you are not seeing what all the side effects of the choosing those options. So you are a bit confused actually, you don't know whether to go this side or that side, but you want to somehow, you want to move forward, you don't want to be in this stuck situation, so you want to move forward. But someone is coming towards you to give that clarity, maybe your family members or your friends, they are coming and they are talking to you, they are giving you some guidance and they are giving you some clarity. They are saying that be calm, be patient, you have to wait, this is not the right time, you have to think and you have to act smart, you cannot take any hasty decision. So like that, someone is coming towards you and they are giving you some knowledge of how to choose things and how to move ahead. But the overall I can see that the answer will be yes for you. It is not so like pile number 1 and pile number 2 they have 100% yes. This is kind of a 80% yes for your question, but your efforts are needed and whatever is your situation, you have to think properly and you have to take a smart decision. Okay, then coming towards the love or relationships, I can see that you and your partner or a person, you don't have the communication between you. There is lack of communication because that person whom you are dealing with, this person is confused. He is not able to take any decision right now. Then he has so many options, maybe so many other matches are coming, or their family is looking for matches. They have many options and this person is thinking about what to choose, like whether to choose the career, or this person is daydreaming actually, so which cup to choose, which one, if I choose this I will have this life, and if I choose this I will have this life. So he is thinking and he's into a dark energy, but somehow he wants to, this person wants to have a relationship soon and he wants to jump into the relationship. He is very excited and he is very curious and he want to run fast towards you, and Knight of Swords is there. Then but he wants to come towards you one side, and other side he is thinking about other options, what to choose. He's having a state of confused mind actually, but finally he will choose you only, because Six of Cups came. Six of Cups is a love card, and this person is offering you a cup of love, and you both are together, you both are celebrating, you both are having a nice romantic family time. So this person is coming towards you definitely with the Knight of Swords. He will come towards you very fast and he will offer you the cup of love. So the answer is yes, friends. So for relationships and other love, romance, relationships, the answer is yes. Finally, I can see all the three piles, the answer is yes. I'm so happy for that. So this pile is a little bit not so good energies, but definitely the outcome card is Six of Cups. So definitely you will overcome. So for love and relationships, the answer is 100% yes. But career and business and finance, the answer is 80%. Okay. So but still you will manage and you will overcome that. Okay, so hope I have clarified your questions, and angels have given the correct answer for your question. I hope so. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then let's meet tomorrow with another reading. Until then, bye.